I've got this friend, he's come at me with a problem. He said, George, I just can't get it up. Can you help? So I said, let's get it on. Now when he said he couldn't get it up, he was indeed referring to this thing. It is the LULA RC8816 GPS drone. And at a first glance, it looks like a Mavic Air clone. So today, I'm going to get this out and I'm going to see what it's all about. Because it actually boasts a 4K camera. The camera is not gimbaled, so you've got to adjust it yourself. The drone itself has got a very, if I'm going to be honest, cheap plasticky feel, almost like a toy. If you compare this to this, Mavic Air is obviously, it's a lot heavier and it's a lot bigger. This one is a hell of a lot lighter. Right, I'll take you through a few of the main features. Apparently it's got a 4K camera, a shooting angle of 45 degrees up to 120 degrees wide angle. The remote control distance of 1,000 meters, 5G image transmission, GPS positioning, return to home, follow me mode. It's got gesture recognition. You can use it indoors and outdoors. Intelligent follow. It's got a long battery life, course reversal, one key return, app control, waypoint flight, 360 surround shooting, gesture taking, and one click takeoff and landing. So I'm going to take it outside. I'm going to put the GoPro on the head and I'm going to see what this is all about and hopefully get some footage. Right, so here we go, drone's on, all set up. There's only one thing that I can't seem to get, and it's the live feed. For some reason, I don't know why, it's just not working. I'll have mode 2 on the joystick control. Start. You gotta hover it yourself. Okay, let's see how stable this is. Seems to be holding the position quite well. Albeit drifting to the left a bit. Take it a little 360. Yeah, for some reason there's no live feed. Don't know why. Can't seem to get it on. Let's bring it back. I let go of it. Seems to go backwards. Now it's going forwards. Drifting. Don't want to take it too far because I just don't trust it. Still got no live feed, don't know why. Right, let's see how good it is at holding position. Bring it towards me. Give it a hover. Nah, it's drifting a bit, but too bad. Right, second attempt. After reading the instructions further, I've now got a video feed. It basically connects the drone straight to your phone and records straight to your phone. So there's no leads, as you can see, to connect it up. So we're going to have another attempt at this. Let's see what this footage is all about. The specs for this thing can be found on screen now. I found the link to AliExpress, although my mate said he bought it from eBay for £80. I found the link, so all the details and specs will be on the screen now. Right, that's on. GPS is on. I think we are ready to... hang on. Let me just get the brightness on my phone a bit better. So we're going to record first of all in, I'll do mode 2 because that's the best. 1080. Oh, I don't know what, I think that's got a low battery. Anyway, we'll try it. Let's just check if it holds position. Yeah, that's not bad. Right, let's go. Just do some more check before. Yeah, not bad. Holds position quite well. Let's go. Slight bit of delay there on the turn, like. Yeah, not very responsive when I'm bringing it down, if I'm honest. Let me go up, down. It's got a little millisecond of delay. Right, cuts out when you throw it or you hit something. And she's up again. See, that control is slightly unresponsive. Right, well, it seems to be holding position quite well. It is actually slightly windy as well, so not bad at all, that one. Do a grab test. Just grab it, pull it, let go. Yeah, that's pretty spot on, that. Go for a flight. actually flies quite well. Slight bit of lag when you're turning, but nothing really too major, if I'm honest. Right, let's go for a record something. So if I go forward, I need to be. Just flip this camera. Camera is a bit awkward, if I'm honest. Right, let's go for some recording anyway. Take it up a little bit. Albeit away from that pylon. Struggling quite a bit with the wind, like, but it's doing it. It's going towards the pylon. Let's get that down a bit. Right, so we're recording in 1080 at the moment. Although, right, let's stop that recording. Seems to want to fly backwards for some reason. See if it holds position. Yeah, right, we'll go for 4K. Let's have a look. Go for some 4K footage, eh? No. I think we got a low battery here. And that is supposed to be 4K. Right. I did see something here where you could invert the camera. So I don't know what that means. Let's have a look. No. Just makes it go upside down. Oh well. Not a bad little drone, although I wouldn't pay £80 for it. I'd go for like 40, 30 maybe. It will get blown away by the wind because it is incredibly light. Oh well. When you turn this on, it automatically goes into GPS mode, so you don't have to bother about indoor or outdoor mode. Press start, turn your controller on. As I say, the drone is set up via Wi-Fi, so all you got to do really is just turn your drone on, search for a Wi-Fi and select the 4K one. As I was saying about the camera, it tilts down that's no good if you want to fly, because you're only going to get the ground really. Would have been better if you could go up here somewhere, but never mind. Got the antenna for the transmission camera, or is it the antenna for the actual drone itself? But essentially I think this is aimed more at people who are just starting out. Definitely not a professional drone, and I definitely wouldn't trust this at the top of Blackpool Tower. But if you're only just starting out, yeah, fair enough, grab one of these. Drifting again. So it's seems a bit more unresponsive. Weird. Yeah, there's definitely a bit of lag on that controller. You go to do a bank turn, it's got a slight millisecond of delay on it. Now it's just doing its own thing. Yeah, let go of it, let's see what happens. Drifting backwards slightly, and there's actually zero wind as well, so I don't know what's happening here. Maybe if I found a different sports mode, maybe if I found a different speed modes on it, it might be a bit more responsive, but I'm not going to bother, to be honest with you. It's just done its own thing, and it's just landed on its own. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's gone, it's gone, it's gone, hey! Something snapped off it. Ah, the battery's come out, that's all. Not bad actually, considering that little crash then. Let's see if it flies again, eh? Right, let's give it one more chance. See if it works. Lights come on. Right, are we getting transmission? Yeah, we're good to go. Turn them off. Press start. Uh-oh. Right, as a result of that, I ain't going to take it any further, so I'm going to end this video here. It works, it's kind of stable. It's weird. Ah well. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.